Thanks for interesting to know about Clickfunnels Review 2020. Clickfunnels Business in a Box Pluses and Minuses Pros. Developing funnels is extremely uncomplicated, easy, in addition to fast. All in one particular technique to keep your online business properly organizated, break up screening and conversion monitoring of your buyers, among the best email autoresponders within. Integrations of a number of plataforms inside of Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is always changing and updating its characteristics. There is usually maintain available, regardless of whether Reside or not, particularly active Facebook group area, totally free 14-day demo, that allows you to test Clickfunnels without any dedication. Downsides. Clickfunnels Business in a Box isn't a cheap resolution and it wants a regular payment subscription. Customer service isn't definitely the swiftest and in addition may well draw from 1 min to 24 HOUR according to the issue. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. Thanks for watching this video.